impact testing machine. In this, we are going to conduct two experiments. One is Charpy impact test, another one is Izod impact test. First thing about this machine, in this we have measuring scale here. In this, what graduations are there, this is in joules. One division is equivalent to 2 joules. Then this is pendulum. And for one test, in the sense Charpy impact test, we are going to mount this thing here. That time angle of this will be 120 degree. Now another test, Izod impact test. Izod impact test, we are changing angle of this. In a sense, we are going to set 90 degree angle here. Now, in this scale, outer scale showing Charpy impact test readings and inner scale showing Izod impact test readings. Now, these are the specimens. Now, this is Izod impact test specimen and this is Charpy impact test specimen. Length of this specimen 75 mm. Length of Charpy impact test specimen 55 mm. Now, middle portion, what we marked, for this we are calling notch. Charpy impact test specimen, there is U shape of the notch. Izod impact test, there is V shape of the notch. Now, depth of this notch is exactly 2 mm for both specimen. Initially, we are going to take measurement of this. Under this notch, what cross-sectional area is there, that we have to measure. Then, after that, we are going to... Now, this machine is setted for testing. Now, this is for Charpy impact test. Already we know specimen is this one. This is a Charpy impact test specimen. Already we took measurement of this. Length of this specimen is 55 mm and shape of the notch is U. Now, by mounting a specimen in this machine, we have to keep it like this. There is don't want to do tightening. Just simply supported beam, both sides supported. Notch is opposite to the striker. In this machine, inside this hammer, there is a striker. This we are calling striker. While setting specimen, notch, what notch is there in this specimen, that should be away from striker, away from pendulum. Behind this notch, behind this specimen, striker will hit and specimen will break. That time what energy it will observe, that we are going to measure in this scale. This pointer will show values. Initially, before conducting experiment, this pointer should keep it maximum what number is there we have to keep. Then, without a specimen, we have to remove specimen. And here there is a rock. While doing that setting, this should be put here. Then, you have to remove this rock. Then, by holding this lever, you have to release low. That time, pendulum will swing. Now, see, without a specimen, we are doing this. Then here there is a brake. When you have to apply brake, it will stop. Stopped. Then this pointer was here, maximum point. Now it came here, top portion. Now here it is not 0. It is showing 1 division. In the sense, this is machine defect. This 1 division, in the sense 2 joules, we have to deduct from final value. Final what answer we are getting, from that we have to deduct this answer. Now again we mounted pendulum. Then already we found machine defect. Again, before going to break specimen, this pointer has to keep maximum point. Then we have to place it a specimen. Then after that, what we did for initially like that only, remove rock, then release this. It will hit specimen and specimen broken. Then you have to apply brake. Now, in this scale, outer scale, because we did Charpy impact test, outer scale is showing some divisions. 60, after 60, it is showing 3 divisions. In the sense, from 0 to 60, directly 60 joules they given. 1 division in the sense 2 joules. So 60, after 63 division in the sense 66 joules. From 66, you have to deduct 2 because initially we got 2 joules. So that if we deduct, we are getting 64. 64 joules is the impact energy for this particular specimen. We got 64 joules impact energy. Again, we are doing one more experiment in this impact testing machine. Before conducting experiment, we have to follow some precautions. What they marked, this yellow marker, shouldn't cross that, because when we are releasing this pendulum, this swing, that's why we have to follow these precautions, otherwise something will get damaged. Now, while applying brake also, very carefully we have to put this lever. Then while lifting also, we have to take care about that. Now, in this machine, already we did Charpy impact test. That time, this position of pendulum, we kept here in this position. That time, angle was 120 degree. Now, we are going to conduct Izod impact test. Now, angle is 90 degree. Now, we have to see readings from inside scale, because Izod test we are doing. This we are calling striker. For Charpy test, we are using this striker. Now, for Izod test, we changed striker here. Already we mounted. Along with this, we changed angle also. We kept 90 degrees. Now, we mounted pendulum. Already I have shown specimen. This is the specimen for Izod test. In this specimen, length of this specimen is 75 mm and shape of the notch is V shape of the notch. Now we have to mount this one vertically, cantilever type support. For Charpy test, we kept specimen horizontally, simply supported beam. For this Izod test, we have to keep vertically, cantilever type. While mounting a specimen, we have to use this template. Then this key we have to use in this, and we have to insert this specimen. Then notch should be facing to the striker. Charpy test, we kept a specimen like this. Notch is opposite to the striker, but in this, notch should be facing to the striker. Remember this thing while facing specimen. While placing specimen, this template we have to use to maintain the height of a specimen. Then by using this key, we have to tighten this. Then after that, this template we have to remove. Only for setting purpose we have to use this. Now rigidly fitted this specimen. Then after that, again this thing you should remember. This pointer should be keep it maximum point. Then after that, remove lock. Then by using this lever, you have to release screw. Now it fitted specimen, then specimen broken. You have to apply brake. Now if you see this pointer showing some readings, but carefully see this because the outer scale readings shouldn't take. That for Charpy test. Inside scale readings we have to take, because we did the Izod test. Now it's showing this pointer showing 50. Exactly 50 it's showing. 50 in the sense 50 joules only. Don't want to multiply 2, because from 0 to 50 divisions are 25. If you count divisions are 25, directly they mentioned 50. From 50 initial machine defect, 2 joules we have to deduct. That time we are getting 48. 48 joules is the impact energy. While finding impact strength, impact energy divided by cross-sectional area of the specimen. If you do that time, you will get impact strength.